Welcome back. I am cleaning my desk from a couple recent projects I completed, and I thought it would be good to share with you one of my little tricks that I do with this leftover paint that drips onto the table. I cover my table with plastic and then I just let it dry. And it peels right up. You can get little bits, you can get the full sheets. I'm gonna just pop off my Dixie cups from the dried paint real quick. Set them aside. But look, it just peels right up. And then you can either cut this up, use it in the jewelry, those necklaces, bezels with the glass cobochones, or use it in other sheets to make greeting cards, put it on canvas to make whole other art. But look at that, it peels right off. I'm hoping this would be helpful to you. Here is one that I did last week, and I just stacked the skins on top. I don't advise doing that because look how sticky they're getting and they're tearing. Put sheets of parchment paper or plastic between and lay them to stack them. That way they'll keep the integrity of a shape in case you want to use this for a greeting card. Just cut it up and glue it. So I hope this helps you. Let me know what you guys do if you do anything else. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.